Once your information is verified after you've logged in, you'll be able to start browsing the download app. You can go to Store to purchase things, you can go to Browse to purchase things, or you can go to My Games, which is where you will find any previously purchased games. Here, you will mouse over or hover over the games that you've purchased and click Install. Select I accept the terms after you've read them and continue. Again, this will go where you select it. I'm going to go ahead and click Install. As you can see, this game is starting to install on my computer. Once the installation is complete, I can hover back over the game and click Play. And I can begin playing my game.